Now we're talking about your net data, what types are there and how to enter it. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. We enter a couple of fields and a couple of records, and then if you want to enter your data inside, you just can navigate as normal and enter any data you like for example text or full numbers or fractional numbers. It doesn't really care. You could even enter booleans like this and then toggle it with space. If you want to replace it with text, you have to first set it to undefined again, and then you can again enter text. Yeah, and that's actually it. So that's the basic types for data, for your net data. There will be reference fields later on which actually are a bit more strict, also have a strict typing. Those cells you see here, they're not really typed. You can put any type in the same field as we did here. So strings, integers, floats, for example. And of course there's more to embrace, but that'll be another story.